Hey there, welcome to my crafty space. Today I'm going to show you how to turn an ordinary roll of toilet paper into the best gift that you can take to a white elephant Christmas party. Stay tuned. So you're basically going to start with just an ordinary roll of Charmin toilet paper. You can buy these in bulk at Costco if you're going to make a lot of them. And let's go over to the computer and I'll show you how I work out the design of the file itself. Alrighty, so we are now at the Silhouettes Design Studio screen. So this is the SVG file that I downloaded from Hoop Mama Designs. I'm going to link to it down in the description below. And basically here's your crappy gift. It's really funny and it's really cute to take to a Christmas party as a Christmas gift, and that's what I really like it for. So here she has it in multiple colors just to show you an idea of how you could do the design, but I'm just going to cut it in one color for the sake of speed, just because, you know, it's toilet paper, so I'm not going to do so much design work with it. It's not like a t-shirt or something. So what I'm going to do is I like to size these to fit inside of a 4x4 square. So all you have to do is you select the entire design. You can resize it based on pulling this little square shape. You know, you can pull it, make it bigger. You can push it in and make it smaller. So I don't know if you guys know already, but Silhouette Design Studio has these really cool guides that you can pull down. And I like to just kind of make the size shape that I want to fit something into. And I know where I'm going to put this on my cutting mat. I've already pre-cut my square. I've kind of mentioned before that I like to pre-cut my squares of, you know, vinyl or whatever I'm working with. Some people like to just use the whole sheet and then cut out a particular spot of it. I don't. I like to cut the size that I'm working with. So basically, when you're working with heat transfer vinyl, you have to cut it in reverse because you're cutting on the back side of the material. So I select my shape, right click, and flip horizontally. So that is going to mirror the image. So don't forget to mirror because then it will cut your design out backwards if you forget to do that. So you're going to go over to your send panel and you can see that this is already set up with the correct cut lines. It looks great. That is exactly what I want. But over here, my materials are not correct. So my Cameo 4 is selected. That is the right machine, but the material is not correct. So I'm going to go up here, select the correct heat transfer material. It is smooth heat transfer. I'm just going to use black. I'm going to use auto cut. It's recognizing that I have a regular blade in there. I also have the auto blade in there, so that's correct as well. So the machine is recognizing the right tools. The cut setting is correct. I leave this on the standard settings because that works well for me. Some people like to make adjustments. You might need to make an adjustment based on the type of material that you're using or the particular brand. Just go ahead and do a test cut using this button right down here to make sure that it weeds correctly when you are using a new material. So once you have your mat loaded into your machine, you're going to hit send to start cutting. So let's go back to the machine. Okay, so we're going to go back to the machine. Like I said, I like to pre-cut my shapes, put it on the mat, and you're just going to line up your mat with this little gray line here. You're going to hit the arrow, load your mat, and I'm going to hit send. All right, so that's done. We're going to take that off. What we do is when you're working with heat transfer vinyl, you're going to weed away the parts that you're not going to use. So sometimes you do have a little spot like this that might get stuck because of something either on your mat or something didn't cut all the way through. It's okay, it's totally normal. you can just use your X-Acto knife to kind of make the cut correctly. Okay, so here's what the design looks like once you've weeded it. I'm gonna use my Cricut Mini Press to go ahead and iron that onto the toilet paper. So I'll show you how I do that in just 1 second. What you wanna do is pull out a few sheets, fold it over a little bit. Go ahead and place your design right on the toilet paper and then just iron right on it. Just go over just little by little here, and you can see the heat transfer vinyl is going right into the toilet paper. It's very easy. You're just gonna peel it right off gently. Remember, you are dealing with toilet paper. You roll that back up, and that's that. Okay, so that's it. You can see how quick and easy that is to create. It makes a great gift for coworkers, a gag gift, white elephant Christmas party, gift exchange, anything that you need to just take something different, unique, and funny too. This was an SVG file. I don't know if you guys already know, but if you're looking for more SVG files, I have a huge resource of 75 websites where you can download free SVG files. I'm going to include the link below, but it is on my website. You can just click the link below, go to the page, and download the resource. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell for notifications.